Good morning. Welcome to the gym. This is Russell. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. We have a active rest day today. We've had 2 days of weights and today is Wednesday. So we have an active rest day and today we'll be doing the Pilates routine. It's a stretch routine called Flex Your Torso. And the idea is to basically the principle of Pilates is flexion. And the way they explain it at the top of the Flex Your Torso routine is that you bend, for instance, when we're doing the neck pull and we're bending at the hip, you're trying to get the pelvis and leg bones as close to each other as possible. I don't really know what that means, but we're gonna get a good stretch out of it. I'm gonna focus on hamstring stretch and I'll see if I can figure out a way to, I don't know that I think about my pelvis, so we'll see if we can think about getting the joints closer together too. We'll see what happens there, but I'm gonna get a good stretch out of it either way. It looks like all the moves, there's 7 moves and I've done these before and they're really good at getting my lower back and glutes and hamstrings and calves stretched out. So honestly, I'm not too terribly sore from yesterday's leg workout. I thought I would be, but it was less intense than I thought it was gonna be. It wasn't anything like the first day the bench routine was. Bench was pretty intense for me. So anyway, we are gonna get this Flex Your Torso routine done. Takes about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're gonna head out on a walk. It's gonna be a walk only, still letting the legs recover. And then we'll come back and chat. So let's get her done. Let's get Wednesday on the road and get up over the hump. Let's do it. Here we go. Active rest day is done. So we are on the road to getting over the hump. So Wednesday's hump. So the stretch routine, Flex Your Torso, that went really well. Got a good, like I say, hamstring, lower back, glute, lower calf or upper calf workout, or not workout, but stretch. And that I always forget about the flexion, what's called the flexion. That's where you're on your back, knees in the air, and you're basically flexing your obliques. And I'll tell you what, that one there does feel good. That one feels, when you're done with that, you feel stretched out on your sides, so that feels good. Anyway, got that done. Like I say, that's only a 5-minute routine, so easy to get through. Good to get a good stretch on a Wednesday. And then the walk, 2.5 miles, 15.5-minute pace, I think, 15:30s. So not fast, not slow, just right. So trying to recover the legs. Back of my left knee is still swollen. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I'm not sure if I'll hit the jog as hard tomorrow or not because of that. Trying to save on it and make sure it gets recovered. So anyway, we'll see how it feels tomorrow. I'll probably jog a little bit and see how it feels, and if it feels all right, just continue. But yeah, so we got Wednesday done in the books. We can call her done. So we will be back out tomorrow for our incremental phase of the back workout. I did get new bands, so I'm ready with new bands, and the new bands are tighter. I don't know if because the manufacturing's a little different than the first band. I ordered the exact same ones, but definitely the red band has more more strength. And you know, when they sit out here in the weather, that rubber, it weathers, you know, hot and cold cycles will cause that rubber to degrade. So I think it's degraded a little. So the red band, I'll get a whole lot more assistance out of this new red band than I was getting out of the other one. I think a set of 13 with this new red band probably be pretty easy. So I think I'll be able to move up, and because I was getting to where I was feeling like the next band, the next smaller band, the blue band, was easier because I hadn't used it, so I hadn't stretched it out. It seemed like it was providing more assistance than my old red band. It's quite a bit smaller than the red band. So anyway, so I think it was deteriorated a little bit, and we'll get to use all these new bands. So I think I may be able to move up into the blue band, 4 set, maybe do the first 2 sets with the red, then 2 sets with the blue, and then 2 sets with the green. We'll say, or 2 weeks. So move them by week. So we'll see how we feel on that. So I'm looking forward to it, to see what it brings. I'd really like to get a lot stronger with being able to do pull-ups. I'd love to be able to do non-assisted pull-ups and just torque off a bunch of them, man. I'd love to be able to. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Wednesday. Get over the hump. Let's head on down the hill to Friday. Let's do this. So you guys get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. We'll let you go. You guys be safe. Take care. See ya.